Welcome to 10.4 Common Logarithms. We're going to solve exponential equations using common logs and use the change of base formula. So to start, what a common logarithm is, it uses a base of 10. So log base 10 of x is really equal to log x. We don't have to put the 10 if it's a common log. Most calculators use common logs, so if you use the log button on your calculator, it usually uses a base of 10. Unless you got one of the fancier calculators where you can type in a base, we're going to be using common logs with our calculators, and that's the only way we can do it. So our first example, evaluate log of 3. This is log base 10 of 3. You just type it in your calculator, press log 3, enter, and you get about 0.48. Okay. So if you have something that's not a common log, but you still need to get what it's equal to, we use change of base formula. So log base of b of a is really the common log of a over the common log of b. You just divide them in the calculator. So let's see this done on one of our examples. Log base 4 of 25, change of base formula, we would do log of 25 divided by log of 4. Type that into our calculator, log 25 divided by log 4, we get about 2.32. Okay, so that's what log base 4 of 25 is equal to. Our next example, we can actually use this idea to solve exponential equations. So 3 to the x equals 11. If we take the log, the natural or the common log of both sides, it will help us solve this equation. So log of 3 to the x is equal to log of 11. Now 3 to the x, that's actually a property, that's power property, so what we can do is we can rewrite it as x times log of 3. And then to get x by itself, we just divide by log 3. So this is really log 11 divided by log 3. Type that into a calculator and we get about 2.18. Alright, our last example here is an application type. So if you deposit P dollars into a bank account, paying an annual interest rate of R expressed as a decimal, within interest payments each year, the amount of A you would have after T years is in the formula A equals P times the quantity 1 plus R divided by N to the NT. So if Marta puts in $100 into her saving account, earning 6% annual interest quarterly, we can fill in our information to solve if she adds no more money into her account, how long will it take for $125? So our A is 125, that's how much we want. P is how much we put in, which was 100. Our rate was 0.06. Our N, that's how many times it's done. It's 4 times, it's quarterly. So we fill in all of that information. All we have left is T. So to solve this equation, we can divide by 100 to get rid of the 100 there. We get 1.25. 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4 is really 1.015 to the RT. And we can write this as a log. So this is, our base is 1.015. Our answer is 1.25 and our exponent is 4t, so we write this as a log. Base 1.015, 1.25 equals our 4t. We can use change of base formula, log of 1.25 divided by log 1.015, that equals 4t. It's about 14.99, and then we divide by 4 to find t, so it's about 3.75 years to reach $125. Alright, that is common logs. Good luck on the practice. Make sure you get it turned in.